Welcome back, my dear students. Let's start with M Science. Good morning to all of you. Loudly give response. Why you are not so energetic? Be energetic, okay? You are staying at home, but keep your energy in yourself. So let's start with a syllabus of second semester. Your unit 7 is the first one to start, and the name of unit 7 is building a better world. So here today we are going to start a seventh unit, building a better world. Together I am also going to explain you the activity which was there on page number 55, activity number 3. So let us start. Here, building a better world. What is the meaning of this statement? Building a better world. Firstly, I am going to give you one instructions. Please underline the lines which I am going to tell you that students underline these lines, because your question answers are come under these underlined lines. So underline the lines. Later it is helpful for you to make answers in your own language. Clear? So let us start. We all want to make this world a beautiful place where everybody is happy and satisfied. However, the problem is that we do not know. What is the main problem? We do not know where to start, how to proceed. The main problem is all are unaware that where to start and how to proceed. In fact, underline this line, it is very important line. The problem is that we do not know where to start and how to proceed. Important line, please underline this. In fact, there is an easy way to build a better world, to build a better you. What is the easy way? What is the easy way to build this world a beautiful world? First, you build yourself better. Means individually when we improve, then uniformity should be there, and then all we, including all of us, make a great growth or a better world. So underline this line also, it's also very important. In fact, there is an easy way to build a better world, to build a better you. If you want to bring about some changes in the world, the best persons to start with, yourself. First, improve yourself, make yourself better, then somebody else become better. So I am going to explain this chapter with the help of one story. The story name is I Can Change the World. The name of story is I Can Change the World. It is the story related to a king. Long ago, people happily lived under the rule of a king. One day the king decided to travel to visit pilgrim centers at the distant places. So what is pilgrim? Religious place. I have already written the word meaning on the blackboard also. And he decided to travel by foot to interact with the people. You can see from the first picture, he decided to travel by foot to pilgrim distant places. Then people were very happy. You can see from the second picture, people were so happy to see their king, to conversate with their king. Like us, when we talk with our superior head of the institutions, we feel glad when we talk, because it is not our daily chance to meet with them or to talk with them or to interact with them, because they are supreme here. And then people of distant places were so happy to have conversation. Conversation means to talk. Conversation with their king, and they were proud that their king was so kind with a good heart. They become very happy when they talk to the king. Now they know about the king's nature, that king is very kind-hearted man. Later you can see from the third picture, what this picture show? Yes, he is holding his feet in the hand. Then what happens with his feet? Pain on his feet. After several weeks, he returned to the palace. He was very happy with his journey, except for one reason. He had unbearable pain on his feet, as it was his first trip to a longer place on his feet. First time he go on such a long travel without wearing shoes. So next picture, in this picture, see anger on the face of king. He is angry and he is complaining to his ministers. What he complained? Let us read. He complained to his ministers that the roads were not comfortable and were stony also. He made an order to cover the road of the whole country with velvet. What order he had given? Give the order to cover the road with velvet. And when the ministers heard this statement, they became surprised. How king give this order? How? It is not possible to spread velvet on all the roads of the country or all the roads of the state. It's too costly. So his ministers were surprised to hear the order, as it was cost a huge amount of money. A wise man from the ministry came to the king and said he had another idea. He said, "What don't you make a pair of good shoes instead of covering your feet?" Later you can see from the last picture, he is wearing a shoes. Ministers gave advice to make a pair of shoes. Ministers gave the advice to king that instead of spending a huge money on a velvet on the road, why don't you buy a good pair of shoes for your feet? So the king was impressed by the suggestion of one of his ministers, and he ordered a pair of shoes, leather shoes, and requested the countryman to wear the shoes also, so that things become smooth for everybody. So what do you know from, what do you got from that story? What is the moral behind it? Means later king didn't change, but at the end he changed himself. Instead of changing the road, with the advice of his minister, he changed himself. Instead of spend money on stones, he just buy the shoes. Means change. He changed himself first, then changes should be there in our society or in a state or in a country. On page number 33, there is a question for you. What message does the story share with us? Write in your own words. What is the message behind the story? I just mentioned for you in the video that what is the message behind. Means first we improve ourselves, make ourselves good, then we are able to make our society better. Later on next page number 34, some statements are there which we apply in our daily life so that our life goes smoothly and express a happiness and love in our society. First one is love your near ones. He said that I cannot love everybody, but I can love those around me. He said that it was not possible for me to love everybody in the world. But when I start with my loved ones, then it expresses automatically. My loved one loved their loved ones further. So next one is sincere. I cannot make everybody sincere, but I can be sincere in little things too. I am not able to make everybody sincere, that there are 35 students in my class. I just give them instructions to be sincere, but I am not able to make everybody sincere. First of all, I am going to start with myself. If I am sincere, then automatically sincerity spreads. And the next one is, I cannot control everything, but I can control my own emotions. I am not able to control each and everything which is going around us, but I am able to control my own emotions, control my anger, control my bad feelings. So in this way we express good things in our society. Next one is love others. I cannot make others love me, but I can love others. He said that I am not going to force others that you please love me, but instead of forcing them to love you, you love them. Next one is clean yourself. I cannot clean the whole world, but I can keep my body, house, compound clean. He said it was not possible for me to clean my whole state or country or a village. But if I start with my own self, then it is possible. If every individual do at their personal level, it automatically come at a higher level. So clean your body, house and compound so that your society automatically cleans. And the next one is change myself. You are not able to change anybody other, but you are able to change yourself. If you individually change yourself, then changes come in automatically. Next one is make everybody happy. I cannot make everybody happy, but I can make my near and dear ones happy. It was not possible for me to make everybody in my area or a village or state happy, but if I start with my near ones, then it becomes spread automatically. This is all in your chapter. Let us discuss the question answers. On page number 35, firstly there are the question answers. 4 question answers are there and the true false, and on next page there is an activity for you. Firstly, I am going to explain the question for you. Why do we fail to make this word beautiful? In the beginning I instruct you related to this. How do we feel to make the word beautiful? Because we are unable to know where to start, how to proceed. And how can we build a better word? We can build a better word by making ourselves better first. Try to write all these questions in your own language. Don't write as it is there on the book. How can we contribute to cleanliness? It is very easy question for you. You can include so many things in this question related to cleanliness. And how will we begin to build a happy word? We are begin to make this word happy by making our loved ones happy. So write all these questions, answer in your own wording, and neat and clean writing also on your book. And one thing more, prepare yourself better for internal questions also. Internal questions also come, so each and every line of the chapter read carefully, understand carefully. Next are the true false. First true false is, I can make everybody sincere. I cannot make anybody happy. They are very easy. I can make some changes in the word. Can I? Okay. The changes should start with myself. Is it true? Yes. And the next one on page number 36, there are a number of things you can do to make this word a heaven. So this is an interesting activity for all of you. You can write your own, whatever you think in your mind, whatever you want to do for this word to make it a heaven. Okay, this is all in the chapter, and with this we also continue with the activity. Open page number 5 of your book, 55 sorry. So here is an activity, means your teacher is requested you to deliver a speech on June 5, World Environment Day. Note down the main points that will help you to prepare the speech. So in this activity there are 5 main points. On basis of those points you have to write your speech. These points should be there in your speech, and I don't want the same speech of all students. Everybody's speech should be different, include different words of vocabulary, include different writing style. Okay, keep this thing in your mind, all my students. Please write it uniquely, right? Show your talent in this. So I am going to explain you here. First your point is relevance. What is the relevance of environment? Environment is very important for all of us. All we survive in environment. At present, I stand in environment. Due to environment, I breathe, I respire, I live, I do everything. So we fully depend upon environment. Environment is very relevant for all of us. You have to write the speech beautifully. Next one, you have to include in threats. What are the threats? There are so many threats to our environment. Pollution, global warming, deforestation. So include these threats and write accordingly. And the next one is results. What are the consequences of current situation? Now the situation of environment is bad. So what are the consequences? Means consequences will be more worse. Here see, you can see, what is this? A shark. It's a shark. You know what happens to these sharks nowadays? Their situation become terrible. The consequences of nowadays environment become terrible. See, they died inside the sea itself. all these sharks died inside the sea. Sea animals died, no trees are there, no oxygen should be there. Here small children, see from the picture, use the inhaler. In future, due to pollution, people use oxygen mask, inhalers to respire. And see, this is the situation of our seas, rivers or our ponds. So these are the results you have to include in your speech. And last, you have to mention the steps to be taken to save our environment. First step, you have to conserve water, recycle paper cans. Instead of plastic, use those papers or those cans which are recycled. Remember to turn off the light. So my dear students, when you are at home, when you come out from your room, put off fan and light both. And the next one, plant a tree. I request all of you, as you all are my children, please, as you are at home in these lockdown days, at least plant one tree. One tree, at least one student plant one tree at home. Like you have a space at home, or maybe you plant an indoor plant also in a pot. It's my humble request to all of you, personal request really, so that our environment improves. Plant a tree. Next one is use a recycle bins, so that we put our whatever is there useless things we put according to the particular tanks. And next one is use canvas recycle bags. Don't use plastic bags when you buy the things. When you did your shopping, try to buy the paper bags instead of plastic bags. So this is all in your activity. Try to write the speech beautifully. So this is all. Thank you.